Hey everyone, so this is the fifth and last part of the automation where we are creating the automation if there is no correct contact info given. So the webhook is created and attached in SmartLead as well. If you don't know how to do that, you can watch my first video for this SmartLead to Attio automation. So we are getting the replies from this webhook part, webhook module, and then we have a ChatGPT module where we have some prompt. We are giving the reply, and the prompt is to ask like determine if the message indicates a wrong info, wrong contact, or things like that. And we are getting the data in the JSON form, and from there we have a router where we have filters like if the status is wrong contact or correct contacts. So if it is a wrong contact, we will select that person here in Attio based on email address, and then we will be creating a task for that leads like this. This is the wrong lead, so I can't open that. As I told before in the previous video, there's a API token. But yeah, if it is a correct contact, we can again select that person. We can create a task for the team like this is a correct contact and there's a reply, go check into that. So this is really very easy automation. You just have to copy this and use this for your business. So save your time and create more deals, get more deals. See you in next video with a different automation. Thank you.